So I just want to do a quick video on the Nitrous Express universal wide open throttle switch. So what comes in the kit is basically this bracket here, which I've bent at a 90, and then this micro switch on the other side of the bracket. The micro switch has a long tongue on it, this piece here. I've trimmed mine down, it was longer when I got it. And then basically, it's designed for a bunch of different applications. What I found easy to do on a Holley 4-barrel, this is a quick fuel, but I mean same style carburetor, is on my linkage I just put a bolt on the bottom right there, and then as it comes around and reaches wide open throttle, it'll turn on, it'll activate that switch. Make sure it doesn't bind up with your return spring if you're running one. To drag race you need double return spring setup, so that's what I have here. But I thought this is a pretty easy way to mount it. It didn't take a lot of creative bracketry or anything like that, and it functions just fine. The way it's wired is this is wired into the, so there's a positive wire that runs from my nitrous activation switch to the relay, and then the solenoids are powered directly from the relay. So this switch interrupts the positive side. So if this switch isn't, closed, the relays won't get power. Both of them, fuel and nitrous, won't get power. And then on the ground side, I have that interrupted with the fuel pressure safety switch. So if there's not adequate fuel pressure, that switch won't be closed, and again, the solenoids won't be grounded. It won't spray the nitrous or the fuel. Pretty straightforward. If you're, testing your fuel side of your nitrous or something like that, remember that you have to, like, for example, you're setting the flow pressure on your regulator. So you arm the system, turn it on, spray it, and you're not getting any, nothing in the thing. Make sure that you can just hold this switch to spray it, just to kind of bypass it. But anyways, pretty straightforward. Just want to make a little video for anybody else out there looking at how to get that installed.